Hey y'all, so in today's video, it's gonna be like a clean and organized video because my room is not looking the best at all. I'm probably gonna voice over this, but yeah, so we're gonna clean, organize, and kind of get the room back to whatever it is. So most likely, let's get into it. And we literally did nothing there. There's nothing for me to do, and we're gonna clean. So first, I kind of want to work on this area because it's very messy. I have some water because it's going to take a very long time and I'm so dehydrated. I will do a haul for you guys because I went shopping. We've got this bag. This bag's just unnecessarily big. And then, so we will do a haul later on. So first what I'm going to do is I'm going to like gather everything and chuck it on my bed, and then I will wipe everything down and stuff. I'll probably do a time lapse of that, and then we'll try to sort out my wardrobe. There's not much to do in my wardrobe, but yeah, today's gonna be pretty chill, so come clean with me, you guys. Okay, so this is what it looks like, really empty, and I'm just gonna use this pink grapefruit. I'm gonna try and get in frame. I'm gonna use this pink grapefruit and a cloth, and literally all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna, if I can get this to work, is I'm literally just gonna spray the entire glass and wooden surface. I'm not gonna do the mirror because it will stain. I will use a tissue, or if I find another one of this, a clean one. And I'm gonna put you on a time lapse on me basically cleaning. So now I'm going to tackle the wardrobe, and basically I have everything color coded, but there's some items that still are mismatching, so we're going to go tackle that now. So my cupboard is a bit small, but I kind of want to show you guys how I do it. So I kept my greys and whites here, and then it goes browns, and then it goes pinks, and then this ain't gonna work, but you can see there's blues, and then right after blues are all my dark colors. So I put my blacks and my reds all at the back. I need to get my summer clothes out because the UK has been like heat wave, heat not, like I don't know what it is, it's rainforest here. But so yeah, and then I kept all my hijabs up here. You guys can't really see, but I think now I'm gonna do a haul, and then for the rest of the day it's probably gonna be revision, and I think we might make a banana cake. I need to see how many bananas are actually left downstairs. Low-key, today's makeup is giving tea. This is the outfit of today. So it's just some pants that have stripes from H&M. The top is from TikTok shop. If you guys want to know where it's from, I'll probably link it. Hijab is from a market in London. yeah, so it's smart and casual because where I work basically it's for work placement, so it's mandatory. And you have to wear smart and casual, which I don't mind. I feel like most of my closet is that. Like, I have loads of blazers and stuff as well because I like to mix chic and streetwear. And also, I'm gonna do a haul, and then what I'm gonna do is with whatever I bought, I'll show you guys 5 different outfits that you guys can make it. So let's get into the haul. 2 little items. What I'm going to show you, because I got in the shop and it's not pre-packaged, it's just, it looks very light in real life, but it's very, very classic. It's just like a bubblegum type of pink type of line, and because they don't have them in store at all, it's so disappointing. No, I don't know. Thing is, I ordered a size 6 because I've actually lost weight, so that is the size that I am now. But the thing is, I don't want to ruin this just in case if I need to exchange it. So I don't know why it's too much. But I love how it's packaged. So I got these jeans that they're jorts. They do have a little bit of rip, but they didn't show that on the picture, which is a bit sad. But they're jorts, and they only have this much of skin at the very bottom. So I'm gonna quickly show you some outfits with these jorts, like little 5 seconds of different fits. Like with just, this is my normal fit, but they're kind of cute. In the description they didn't say that they had holes in them, but they do have some rips, which is a bit unfortunate. But that's what the jorts look like. And a graphic hoodie. It's actually low-key cute. I think I need to get used to it because it feels a little bit tight at the moment, and obviously I would wear white socks with it. But I think it's giving. Like, I like it with this pink hoodie. And then I think another way I'd style it is like with a oversized tee, or I'm gonna find something else in my wardrobe to kind of style it with. But yeah, so, and I would just pair it with like a simple black hijab tee. I feel like jorts look better with a oversized type of tee. And I'm not even joking, guys. Like, if you're a hijabi, invest in polka dots headbands because they look so cute, and I would definitely pair these with these glasses. And that's kind of like the third fit. Everything's really simple. I don't really like to do too much. But yeah, let me know if you like the jorts. Obviously not with the black sock. It would definitely be with white socks because the black socks is really ruining the vibe. Or I would pair it with something even like stripy socks maybe. But yeah, I really like them. I think I need to get used to them because they feel quite tight, and I'm not sure if I like the cut bottom type of look. But yeah.